Today we are going to listen to a story that uses Chapter 2A and 2B vocabulary words. The story is called Where is the Mouse? ¿Dónde está el ratón? The key terms. For Chapter 2A vocabulary, these words will be highlighted in blue. Chapter 2A talks about various classes that you may take while you are in school. Chapter 2B vocabulary will be highlighted in red. These vocabulary terms talk about items in a classroom and their location using prepositions. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Michael. I am very excited to go to school today. The teacher is going to bring in a mouse to school. First, I need to pack my backpack. I need a notebook and a pencil. Now I am going to school, and I am very excited to see the mouse. Finally, I arrive at school. In science class, the teacher talks about the mouse. Suddenly, the mouse escapes. I ask the teacher a question. Teacher, where is the mouse? The mouse was running around the classroom. The mouse is under the desk. Now the mouse is next to the desk. The mouse is on top of the desk. I am very nervous. The teacher ran and captured the mouse. The teacher says, "What an interesting day." The end.